food. Okay. Ouch. Ow. I hate this chair. Mommy, can we trade? Here. I'll just take this chair. It's pretty tall. It's heavy. I wish you would help, Mom, but you don't love me. I don't like you anymore, Mommy. You're mean. You don't love me anymore. Always causing drama. Please love me, Mommy. You don't though. You're mean. He won't fix my chair. He's so mean. Honey. What? Crybaby. Ow! Crybaby. I fixed your chair. I don't care, Mom. I fixed it for you. Yeah? Well, I don't care. This is so good. I love eating this. Come on, your sister's eating already. Come on. No, Mommy. She won't eat. Oh well. Are you eating or not? Oh, you are? Because your food is pretty cold. Come. Then come. I'm coming. Come on. Please. No. I can't believe why you're crying. Just because of a dumb chair. Please don't laugh at me. Mommy always yells at me. Mommy doesn't love me. Do you want to be in trouble? No, Mommy, you're yelling at me. I'm not yelling. Do you want to hear yelling? No. 'Cause I can yell if you want me to. No, please, Mommy. Eat your dinner. Fine. Stop yelling at me. Maybe I'll eat fish. What's for dessert, Mommy? Cheesecake or ice cream? Whichever one you please. Yay! I love both! Let's see if your sister is done eating. Are you done now? Can you see food in front of my face or not? I can see no food. Yeah, that means I'm done. Goodness. Do you want your dessert? Dessert? Like what? Well, whatever you get from the dispenser. It can be, well, let's narrow it down to cheesecake or ice cream. Like I'm gonna eat that. I'm mad right now, Mom, because you yelled at me, for one. And for two, you didn't help me and I'm not the one causing the problems. Come on. Yay. Cheesecake. I want to sit back in my spot. The spot I had first before she stole it. Move! No. Please move! Before I go upstairs and cry again. I don't care what you do. This is my spot. You go to your room now. And if you want dessert, you can have your dessert. But she's not moving. She sat there, and you are going to be in trouble if you say anything again today. I do not want to hear your voice again, unless you're not whining. Cheesecake. You know what? Dessert is fresh cheesecake. Yay! Because all of this stuff that's here is the cheesecake that I made. Soda or ice cream. I didn't make any of that stuff, of course. Yeah, of course not. I'll take one cheesecake for me. I'm going to sit right here like I was planning to sit at. Oh. And a cheesecake for her. Whether she wants it or not. Get out of that spot so I can sit down. Sit down over there. Fine, I will. Be mean, Mom. No cheesecake for you. But I was gonna eat it. I don't care what you were gonna do. No, but Mommy. Fine. But I'm too nice for you, and you know that. No, you're too mean.